I got swag for sale, but you might can't afford it. I'ma pay the price, I don't care what the cost is. Nigga, I be saucing, getting to the money. Closet full of foreigns, I don't do no Jordans. Walking with a baddie, make a nigga feel important.
Let me tell you how this day went. Went downtown to go see the ball drop. Talked to a cop. They sent me one way. Went the way that they told me. So I'm walking towards the exit. I'm about to leave. The cop tells me, nope, gotta go back the other way. So I go another way. There was supposed to be another exit. Nope, couldn't go that way. Had to go back up the steps, go back to where I first came from, and then come outside. This walk was crazy. I don't know what convinced me to want to go watch the ball drop, but it was an experience that I need to say, being that I'm from New York. But when I say it was millions of people in the street, you could just see it for yourself. It was crazy.
I don't know if y'all can see me, but it's a whole lot of damn people. I'm gonna show y'all real quick. On top of it, it's raining. It's a little cold. I got on too many layers, so I'm hot. But it's alright. I hope they start letting us in though. These people, you never really realize how strong people are until they start pushing. See what you're Finally got through the crowd. Jesus, man. Happy New Year, Bob. Happy New Year. Finally got through the crowd, yo. Damn. Moving now. Moving. Go.
I don't think Mom and Chris understand you have to be mean.
How to get through this crowd, man. It's like a line to another line to another line. Hey, doggy. Hey, you got another line to go to. I mean, I signed up to, I signed up to see the ball drop. Man.
Finally got past the checkpoint, but, ran into some people. That was the purpose of everything, make sure you was networking. So we mobbing out together. But I'm trying to lead the line because I'm trying to make sure I'm in the front. But the ball is right around the corner, so the anticipation is pretty much killing me. All the people was bunched up together. I don't know how they snuck liquor through. But it was just like, everybody was having a good time, jokes, collaborating, just dialoguing. But I'm like, come on, we got to get there. And mind you, it's only about 3:30, 4 o'clock. So we still got another 8 hours to go.
I got some. She ain't want to share Doritos. She want to share Doritos. She want to share Doritos. Let me stop. Yo. Okay, we moving. We moving. We moving. We moving. Oh, savages. Savages. Oh, we was almost there. No, that's free. Ah, man. I started to see the breath coming out of my mouth. It's cold. It's another line? 5-0.
Okay, we moving up. What's going on? What's going on? Now we out here, right? So you're.
We got through. I'm finally through it. I made it. Yo, we over there, you heard? Gotta get everybody. We gonna see y'all up front. not gonna lie, my hands is getting really cold. I might not be able to record for y'all. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. My hands is cold. My hands is cold. Woo! Woo! About time we got through them lines.
Pero es lo mismo.
I don't even know what time it is. Let me tell you what time it is.
Me llevo a tiempo ya.
Okay, so the time now is 5:47. Got a whole lot of time left. This rain is not making it no much better. It's cold. All these people was bumping into me. You know, but got a good spot. 49th and Broadway. See if I can see. Huh? Robin Thicke? I think we about to get some hats, y'all. Oh, it's lit, it's lit. Knee one, lit. Pass it back. Okay. No. Got you. Pass one back, my man need one right here behind me. ¿Tienes tuyo? Voy pasando para atrás.
How does it look? Huh? Is it wrong?
Oh, that part of that hat? Everybody got their hat.
Everybody.
Well, not everybody.
Google is right.
I got a hat left, $25.
Go to the camera.
So that when you get to the train, you said 25. I let one go for 22.
You let you go for 22? God,
20 or 2 shots.
11, 10,
9, 8,
6, 5, 4, 3, 5 hours left!
Stop. What's wrong?
So you gotta say what you said?
If you put your tongue in the middle of the banana, it's gonna burn it because of the like seeds. It's spicy.
There's only one seed. Maybe I should bite it again.
Nah.
Yeah, maybe bite it.
No, you gotta put your tongue.
There you go. That's a good enough.
Yeah, you gotta put your tongue in there. Oh, leave it there.
Do you feel it?
It's spicy.
Ah, dude, that's weird. Why are you doing
Isn't that weird?
That's a spicy banana?
You don't taste the like spiciness.
Cold, wet, camera wet. I'm holding strong, man. Me and a million people. 1.1 to be exact. Got 3 hours and like 58 minutes. Yo, not for nothing, it's freeze. Oh, Todd, you gotta get the 18, 17. I don't know, y'all can see it. 13, 12, 11. It's only 9 o'clock though. Okay? Like you just practicing. That's all. 5, 4, 3, 2, 9 o'clock. Woo! Only the strong survive.
So what you gonna do?
I'm still standing, right?
This raid is getting worse and worse, y'all. Worse and worse.
Hey!
Stop!
Wait a minute.
I need some cold with my mouth down.
Only out.
Get the heater.
In the coat.
I need to be in Mississippi.
Yeah.
I was the
Goddamn.
wrist rain would stop rain, man.
It's too cold. Goddamn. I got my. It's too cold. Goddamn. I got my knees shaking and they shaking real bad. Too cold. Goddamn.
I got on 2 t-shirts saying not alone.
Oh, man. Hallelujah. God help me. Hallelujah. It's my toe too cold right now. It's my toe too cold right now. Yeah. It's my toe too cold right now. Yeah. Don't believe it, just like.
One more. Fuck, you missed it.
I'm fucking.
Yo, I'm not gonna lie, my toes is cold. That's my toes. Yo, it's like 9:30. -3 degrees outside. He just reached hypothermia.
I can't.
We all trying to survive. We all trying to survive.
on my bucket list completely.
That's a fact. That's a finny. Check this off the bucket list, yo. We out here dying. We out here dying, yo.
Cold still.
Man, over here, we were freezing, yo. You see us? She got the heated jacket, though. They ain't never say that they had the heated jacket. My man got it too, though. They over here 58 degrees. We out here 40, but it's cool. It's cool. That clock about to start clicking, though. You see that?
1 minute. 1 minute.
You see that? About to be 10.
You real sleep?
Yeah, I got my guy.
In real life.
Oh yeah, get slow.
Oh my god.
Okay, snap.
Bro, I wish I was sleeping.
Slump, yo.
10.
It's early.
Oh, I gotta pee. It's starting to come. I gotta pee. I gotta pee.
Like you got a POD?
Yeah.
Like I got a POD, like an iPod?
I gotta pee, but I gotta pee.
You know, if you spell iPod, that means IPOD, right? Spell iPod.
iPod, IPOD.
Look at that. Look at that. You ain't know. Learn something new every day, you dig? They got a countdown with us, yo. Nah. I ain't talking to you, Siri. I ain't talking to you. Woo!
30 seconds. I gotta hold my pee for 2 hours.
2 hours. Actually, not even 2 hours. If you want to be technical, it'll be 1 hour and 59 minutes.
59 minutes, 59 seconds. I found that.
It's about to come up, y'all. It's about to come up.
Let's get it.
Let's get it. 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Yeah, that's to the clock, baby.
31st Street, let's go.
2 hours to go.
Let's
go. Come on, guys.
2. Oh, New Year's spicy. Oh, New Year's spicy.
There you go.
Oh. Where you from?
Where I'm from?
Where you from?
Florida, nigga.
Oh, you from Florida. I thought you give it up. I heard you. Okay. Nah.
Motherfucking D-O-double-G Snoop Dogg.
Okay, now we got some. That nigga's gonna turn up.
Yeah, homie.
Hell yeah! Hell yeah! I'm cold!
Snoop Dogg.
I'm cold!
Oh yeah, she cold.
Almost over. Almost over. Almost over. Almost over.
He said hold
Yo, they've been talking all day. Right now the time is 10:57. We're about to do another countdown. First 9. That means all this money coming in. Rain all day. Rain on me. Oh, won't you take this thing from me?
It's going to be a great year, 2019, because all the budgets are going to work with this rain.
Yes, it is.
The community in the United States, 2019, it will be a fantastic year. And I'm sure many of you here are wishing the best.
Yeah, weather! No, we need this countdown. We need this countdown. What y'all talking about? What y'all talking about?
And we have some of the wishes here.
Man, yo, I ain't no home, man. We ain't no home for being out here, man. I swear. Fudge. I can't feel my... No.
Can you lift my hat one more time?
I got you. You can see?
You can see the countdown. Thank you.
Familia Leaza, espero que todo esté bien para el 2019.
We got less than 60 seconds to this 11 o'clock. Come on. As soon as they hit that 20, come on. Yo, stop talking to us. Stop talking to us. Start that clock. Start that clock. Start that clock. Start that clock. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
play some lit music. I'm gonna be in here bouncing.
I'm a genie in a bottle, baby. Come, come, come and let me out. Being out here all these hours, man. Woo! Oh yeah! 2019 be good to me. Part of it. I got my job done.
it's time to go back home. I hope I don't get sick. I pray everyone have a great year. God bless.
I'ma get it. I'm dropping bombs, Nagasaki. Home of the Apollo, see them fiending for that Rocky. This that Venice swag, we rockin' Tommy. Rest in peace to